Hello there, welcome to our video on how to fix Instagram login errors. If you are having trouble accessing your Instagram account, don't worry, we are here to help. In this video, we will show you some simple steps you can take to troubleshooting and fix Instagram login errors. So the first thing you should do when you encounter an Instagram login error is to check your internet connection. Okay, sometimes a slow or unstable connection can cause login issues. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi, okay, or switching to mobile data if you are using a cellular device here. Okay, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if the problem is solved or not. If the issue persists, the next step is to clear your Instagram application cache. These stored data can sometimes interfere with the Instagram login process. Okay, so you will open up the settings here, then you will open up apps and notifications, and then from here you will open up you will see all apps and you will search for Instagram, and you will tap on storage and cache, and you have to clear the cache. Okay, you have to clear the cache of your Instagram application and see if the issue is fixed or not. And another possible reason for an Instagram login error is an outdated app version. Okay, make sure that you are running the latest version of the Instagram app on your device. So you can go to the Play Store here and search for Instagram here, and if here it says update like this, you should update your Instagram. Okay, so that's it. These are some simple steps you can take to fix Instagram login errors. If none of these solution works, you can reach out to the Instagram support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Goodbye.